Hello friends, this video on carbon and its compounds part 5 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 4. Now let's take the polar covalent bond. So before we study polar covalent bond, we should know what electronegativity is. Electronegativity is nothing but ability of an atom to attract electrons. Electrons shade electrons. Correct? So if a sharing is going on and if you got a molecule but some atoms, right, attract electrons more, and that kind of tendency is called electronegativity. So if atom forming a covalent bond have different electronegativity, for example H2O in the case, oxygen has more electronegativity than hydrogen, then the atom with the higher electronegativity, that is oxygen in this case, pulls the shared electron towards it. As I explained this, and thus the atom with the higher electronegativity, in this case oxygen, develops a partial negative charge, and the one with the lower electronegativity, is hydrogen, develops partial positive charge. And this kind of bond is called polar covalent bond. For example, in this case, this guy is my oxygen, this guy is hydrogen, and this guy is hydrogen. This guy will develop slightly positive charge, and this guy will develop slightly negative charge. Why? Because oxygen is electronegative in nature, and it will pull the electron towards itself. It will pull the electron towards itself a little bit more. So electron will be sharing more time with this guy oxygen than hydrogen. We'll explain more of these when we go to class 11th and we study the actual structure. It is of atom, how the atom looks like, what is the position of electron in that, and how the electron pools work. We'll learn in more detail in class 11. Just to understand that hydrogen, in this case oxygen, attracts electron more than hydrogen. So this guy electron is spending more time with oxygen than with hydrogen, because electron keeps moving. It's not static, right? Electrons keep moving and it revolves at a very, very fast speed, right? Keeps moving. And by moving, right, it jumps. When we call it or sharing, in that case sometimes it is here, sometimes it is here, it keeps moving here and there, right? And that's what called sharing is. But when you say oxygen is more electronegative, that means oxygen attracts electron more, and electron is spending more time with oxygen. That means it's a higher probability that this guy will be in this region than in this region. That's what it means in terms of mathematics probability. But in the real world, if you see this oxygen keeps jumping from here and here, here and here, and then it's formed a polar covalent bond. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.